Ditom is pleased to present its range of ultrasonic cleaning systems for the fast and thorough cleaning of Anilox rolls and gravure cylinders. The action of the ultrasonic waves, combined with cleaning solutions specifically designed for every type of ink, removes residues even from the deepest cells, restoring the cylinder's optimum performance. The systems can be configured for any cylinder size, with a minimum working width of 200 millimeters and a maximum working width of 4 meters. Thanks to the dual frequency technology, the ultrasonic waves effectively reach and clean even the finest cells, ensuring uniform and deep cleaning.